Loving parents, I know rarely know what time, and this is such a day, and so
The more for that.
Para sa akong ginikanan, Ma'am Pam, salamat sa tanan and happy 50th wedding anniversary for both of you. Salamat, thank you for showing us what true love means. Your love is an inspiration for me and Charlie. How I wish someday we could be the same, celebrating your 50th wedding anniversary.
Take this sinking boat and point it home. We still got time. Raise your hopeful voice. You have a choice. You've made it now. Falling slowly, sing your melody. I'll sing it
This is a very short message. Ma'am, happy 50th wedding anniversary.
So, now, gusto ko pong ipakilala sa inyo ang bunga ng generation to generation ng pagmamahalan ng ating couple for tonight. Okay? Because what makes a family more beautiful but the family itself that it creates.
Ma'am, thank you for loving us unconditionally in your own ways, might be loud or discreet. We know both of you how big your love is and it has been unwavering. Thank you for teaching us how to be strong in all aspects. Nadumduman ko, my mama would always say, when life hits you hard, batok patay-patay. She is the real reason of our strength that I would always bear in mind for a lifetime.
Thank you, God. Madami dito sa Lord. And I hope maka-witness ko ka ang nasunod yung anniversary sa inyo. Pang mag-video.
Special day because both of you alone are special. Hanggang there, we're just starting. I love you, Mom and Pam, forever and ever. Thank you so much.
Ecclesiastes 3:1. For everything there is a season, a time for every matter under heaven. And now is the time for laughter and for celebration. Let's celebrate life's many triumphs, and this is just one of them. A life well lived, leaves behind a beautiful tapestry of memories, and this is just one of it.
Lord, na wala din siya makulang sa ating edukasyon sa tungkol sa pagkilitaan Lord. Sa kanipay, sa kasakit, binigyan mo, binigyan natin, tanuhan natin ang ating edukasyon. Tugtog na nakalambot din tayo kumikita ng natin. Ngunit tanan naghatag sa akon sa kadagig pagpasalamat na pagpasalamat sa Diyos. Na kung hindi tungkol sa iyang mga pulong na mo ang naghatag sa aton bilang kalanong na espirituhalong sa mga taktigaw, mga pangkaisa tungkol sa atong napagkasawhalong na hindi ka lang makadungok sa butang na pagbuhay ko habang may salamat din na iwa ko. Mawala na yung kita ng pamayan. Gusto ka rin. Ang tayo. Ang nasa atin. Hindi na
Yung relasyon sa kabuli, sa lahat.
I wrote this letter to my parents and my husband. May this kind of love found me for my parents on the 50th birthday anniversary.
Being the eldest among the 10, ako ang pinaka-proud at ako ang pinaka-maswerte na tinuga sa siningakalibutan na tungkol sa mga komunikanan. I love you.
Overflows with joy, thanksgiving, and kulang ang words of understand. Your presence tonight sums it up. I am a teacher by profession. I only teach subjects, but Papa and Mama teaches me one of the most important lessons sa kabuhay, and that is unahin yung pagmamahal. Don't the rest of